Hello, and I'm going to be, it's me, Justin. I'm going to be demonstrating how to replace one of these. So I don't have any to replace right now, but I had kind of rigged up a ceiling box, electrical box here, like you would see coming out of the ceiling like so. As you can see, you got your neutral, your hot, and there's never that I've seen a ground. You've got your common. This I believe is for linking multiple detectors together, and then you got obviously your hot wire. For this is like your wire harness basically. So what you're gonna have to do first is loosen your screws on your box to remove the old one. Disconnect the power. Disconnect your neutral, your hot, by taking off the wire nuts. All right, so and you can actually rotate. So it'll be like this one. Maybe a different base though. We've been changing ours from one style to another, but got your locking action there where the screws slide into place. There's all these different options. Just remove it after you take the old smoke detector off, obviously. So to install a new one, that's what I'm going to mainly focus on. Once you've got all of this ready, go ahead and take your wires, take the ends off, leave the orange one on unless you're using it for it could be emergency power, or also I've seen it used to link them together in a series. Obviously your neutral to neutral. Okay. Hot. I usually do all the wiring before I put even the base on, because then I can make sure that they're tucked into the box nicely. I usually always point my wire nuts facing up, so that way if there were to ever be water coming through, it would not just go and fill up the wire nuts, it would just flow right across them. It's not gonna help for a long time, but it would be better than straight into them. Alright, so when you got that, take your base bracket, set it over these screws. You'll want to have these screws still backed out a little ways, and just find whichever pattern fits best. Obviously this one fits best for ours. Tighten these down, Phillips, flathead, whatever you got. I have a lot of flathead screws in these and they still work great. Once you got that connected, you got to line these up. So it needs to be, you got the two on the left, one on the right. It sticks on there. Just want to make sure you don't bend those prongs when you do it. Snap in place. Kind of walk those wires down into that box to make sure you don't pinch them. And just kind of rotate until you feel it click like that. And then you just rotate a little further until it stops. And that's it. Then turn your power back on. And your green light should light up if you got AC power. If not, and then you also need to pull this tab out. Obviously it says it right here. That's to engage your battery. It's just saving the life of it while it's on the shelf. So that is the quick version of how to change a smoke detector, carbon monoxide / smoke detector, with AC and DC power. All right, have a good one.